We have the Allevi8 shampoo and conditioner here today. Now this particular range is inspired by the desert. It's there to help unruly hair create straight and sleek styles. So today we're going to use a 20-cent piece shampoo, and you're going to reapply if necessary. Let's start off with your first shampoo. Make sure you really get into the root area. You can see that it has that really nice foaming agent as well to help cleanse the scalp and hair. Once finished shampooing, we're going to rinse thoroughly, and then we're going to apply our Allevi8 conditioner. With our Allevi8 conditioner, we're going to apply about a 50-cent piece, so then we know that it's distributed evenly throughout the hair, helping to create those nice, sleek, smooth styles. With our Allevi8 range, it has a rich anti-frizz formulation, which includes our Kakadu plum, our Baobab protein, and also our cactus flower. That is going to help strengthen the hair. It's going to help give you some nice sleek styles and smooth finishes. Make sure you apply the conditioner all the way through mid-lengths and ends, and nice massage through that root area to help with those sleek styles. After you've waited for 3 to 5 minutes, make sure you rinse thoroughly, and then you can style as normal. So as you can see, this is our final product after using the Allevi8 shampoo and conditioner. With our anti-frizz formulas, it gives you that nice glossy, sleek finish.